Everybody take a truck. Luca 10, you got truck number 1 on Highland. Chris, Streak, you got truck number 2 on Franklin. Deacon, I'll meet you at truck number 3. Now, the roads are slick, y'all. Stay alert.
10, get ready just in case. Coming up on truck 1.
You need to go now, they know.
We need to all go at once. I won't get through on my own.
No, it's too late. Move to plan B. I'll hold them off. Go!
He's gonna try it.
Don't move! Out of the car! Get out of the car! Hands! Go! Get out! Down! Down! Hands behind your back! Both! Hands!
We're coming up at truck 2.
LAPD! Everyone, drop your weapons, now!
Trista, put down your guns! We got this!
How'd you even find the truck?
Police scanner app.
Trista, we got him.
And he just goes to jail. What justice is that? Michael was executed.
No one deserves this. Not Micah, not him.
So you picked their side.
Stop thinking in sides. Micah didn't deserve to die, but what he did was wrong. What this man was about to do is wrong, and he will pay for his crime. I know it doesn't seem fair, but if we want real change, it's gotta be better.
Go.
Drop it.
Everyone, drop your weapons, now! Drop it!
Out of the truck. Up against the wall.
Give me your hand!
Last truck is on the move. He's headed away from the parade.
He's not gonna break through the barricades on his own. He missed his chance on hitting the crowds.
He can't be running now, after all of this.
Unless he has a backup target. Something not on the parade route.
Parade's in the final stretch. Let's get those tarps over to the stage for the benefit concert. Rain or shine, people. Rain or shine.
Even if we intercept, how are we supposed to stop a truck going that fast? Only one way.
Need anything else?
I think we're good.
Awesome.
Check on Deke!
Deke, we're here!
Deke! You okay?
Okay.
I can't move.